guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Thank you for tuning into today's video. You guys, today we're going to be doing a spring refresh in my living room. I have been thinking about this, planning this for quite a while because your girl has been wanting to spruce it up for quite a bit. I have like a lot of darker reds and blacks, and I felt like for spring I wanted it to be lighter, I wanted it to be brighter, but I do not have a ton of money to just switch out all of my furniture and rebuy everything because, you know, your girl is not built like that. I do have some money, but geez, my husband would kill me, okay? So I have been looking on Pinterest, Instagram, I've been looking on Google Images for different ideas and inspiration. And every time I go on a website and I'm trying to get the best deal possible, I decided to start using ShopTagger to keep everything in one place because the two things that I'm obsessed with, plants and pillows, those things are expensive, girl. I did not realize how expensive they were until, let me show you guys. There is one pillow I have my eye on right here. It's from Kohl's and it's originally $79.99 and right now it's 50% off for $39.99. Two of those is pretty pricey. I've been talking about ShopTagger for such a long time. I love it for Christmas, for birthdays, for gift giving, but if you're decorating a space and you want to get the cheapest deal possible, ShopTagger partners with thousands of different retailers, so when you're shopping on one of their retailers' websites, you can choose to add one of their items to your ShopTagger account and then you can be notified when those things go on sale. So if you guys have not tried ShopTagger for yourself, I want you to pause this video, go to the description box, download it for yourself, try it out. It's going to save you money. It costs you nothing, so it is a no-brainer. I do get to partner with them for these videos, so I'm super grateful for our relationship. I love their website and their app. I find it super helpful, and I know you guys like to save money, so it's a win-win for everybody. First, I'm going to share with you guys the haul portion, and then I'm going to share with you guys how I put everything together, so let's get started. So this is something that we just got, and it was the thing that sparked the whole need for a spring refresh because the kids' shoes were everywhere. We have one of these, so I've had one of these IKEA shelves downstairs for a long time since we moved here, and it was much taller, so it would have covered the window. So we needed one that was shorter. On my ShopTagger, I was saving a bunch of benches, but when I went with my husband, he was not really into the benches. So he really liked the idea of the cubby, so now we're putting a whole bunch of shoes in there. The whole entire family's shoes are in there. So I was really trying to go with like that seafoam, not like, I don't know what color green you call this, but I was trying to go for like that green look. So I got greens and grays, and that's kind of like what I'm sticking in, and white. That's what I would like, but not everything in here is white. So I picked up two plants. This one was really cheap from Walmart. I think it was only like $5.99. $5 from Walmart. This is just like a little fern. And then this is a bigger tree, which is from Home Depot, and this was $14.98. Now, the regular trees, like the pretty expensive fake trees, those can be like hundreds of dollars. I'm actually terrible at taking care of plants, so we're going to give it a try. So one of my awesome subscribers recommended that I try to check out Ross for one of these plant things. I don't know what this is called, but this was only, how much? $8.99, and it's huge. I'm like, girl, that's a good deal. And I think the colors go decently nice together, so we got that. This is a throw blanket that I got from, this was from Habitat for Humanity, and that is in Oxford Valley by my favorite Dollar Tree. This was brand new from Target. The kids took the dang on thing off of it, but it was a brand new throw from Target. It was only $8. So they get a lot of like the Target's things that they can't sell. I guess they donate to Habitat for Humanity and they sell some of the stuff. So that was a really good deal. I'm not too sure how I feel about these pillows. You guys can let me know, but they came in a set of 2 from Marshall's and they were on clearance for $20, which is good. So $10 each. That still is so much in my mind, but I'm not really sure if this little canister is going to be used because I thought it didn't match that good, but this is from Dollar General and it was on sale. I guess, no, it wasn't on sale. It was only $4. So I have some Dollar Tree items that I'm going to be using. This is a sign that I just recently found and I painted it white. I absolutely love it. So this is at the Dollar Tree right now. It has those green colors in it that I think matches nicely. I mean, it's really cute. I really like this a lot. And then what kind of spring refresh would it be without any flowers? Like, hello, flowers. So they have the fake lavender. And then they have these different looking lavender ones. I'm not really sure which ones I wanted to use. So I got some of those. This was my favorite find, and I found this today at Marshall's. Look at it. This is like this is totally my style. This was $9.99 at Marshall's. This was on sale from Michael's, their spring collection, and it was originally $14, and I think I got it for like $7. But I think they look nice together, you know, so we're gonna give it a try. That is everything that I have.
Now, are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible.
So here's a look at the finished living room. I am really happy with the way that it turned out. For under $200, which includes the cost of the bookcase, which was $67, I am really happy with the way that everything turned out. I have organization and I have my fun, bright pieces that I wanted. Even though it's not a complete overhaul, I feel like I was able to do it on a budget, and it makes me really happy to look at. So these are the few pieces that I decided to add in the little canister, and of course Dollar Tree pieces. Those pieces are always in my house. I'm obsessed with using, like mixing Dollar Tree and regular home goods and all that kind of stuff. So you guys will see a bunch of Dollar Tree pieces. The bookcase was probably the biggest thing that we needed because kids' shoes everywhere can be pretty annoying. This section didn't really change, but I really do love the pops of seafoam green and my favorite farmer's market thing, and I put all of those Dollar Tree flowers in there, which I am completely obsessed with. My plant, which I'm going to try really hard to keep alive, and I am going to add some white pillows to the couch. So if you guys want to stay up to date on how I add pieces throughout the spring and summer, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm always there 24/7 on Instagram, Facebook too. All the links are in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Shop Tagger. Their link will be at the top of the description box. Subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye, you guys.